In the last video, we looked at the seed. So in this video, we'll be looking at the plant. Remember, we said the cycle is that it starts from a seed to a seedling and then a plant. So I've talked about the seed, I've talked about the seedling, we have the plant. Now, let's move to the plant. So in the last video, we said what a seed needs is water, warmth, and air. Those are the three things that a seed needs to germinate. And we said in the last video that germination is the process whereby Germination is the process whereby a seed changes into a seedling. So now we'll be moving to the process of growth, meaning whereby a plant changes from a seedling to a plant. Here, changes from this seedling here, changes to this plant that we have over here. So what are the things that plants need to grow? Every plant needs water, light, air, and warmth. Remember, what is missing between what a seed needs and what a plant needs? The only factor that is missing is the light. Seeds don't need light to germinate, but plants need light to grow. Why? Because plants make their food through light energy through the process called photosynthesis. So when we have the sun, we have the sun shine the light on the leaves of the plant. They go through the process called photosynthesis, and photosynthesis is the process by which plants makes their food, and then the sunlight shines on the leaf of the plant and photosynthesis happens and plants make their food. Without light, a plant cannot grow and then it cannot make their food. Just like the way where you don't eat, you begin to grow lean and then the person eventually dies. The same thing with a plant. The plant will eventually die. So we have an experiment here. Chidi grew 2 healthy bean plants in a pot and he watered them equally. Plant A, this is plant A here. Plant A is watered and placed before a sunny window. And plant B is placed in a dark cupboard. After 3 weeks, plant A is green and strong. Plant B has long thin leaves, yellow and looks weak. What could be the reason? Because of sunlight. There is no sunlight. Remember, we said that what plants need to grow is water, warmth, light, and air. But in this instance, there is no sunlight, and so the plant cannot grow. Why? Because they cannot make their food. And once any living organism does not feed, they automatically die. So that's what happened to the plants of Chidi. So why are plants amazing? Plants are amazing because they make their own food. I've said that they need light energy. Without light energy, plants cannot make their own food. And where do they make their food? They make their food in the leaves. In the leaves. They make their food in the leaves. Without leaves, plants cannot make their food as well. If a plant does not get light, they cannot make their food, they become weak and die. And then plant grows towards sunlight. So what are the difference? Remember, I said for germination, the seed needs water, warmth, and air, but there is no light. For growth, they need water, warmth, air, and light to make their food. So they are asking you now, which part of a plant grows first? Which part of a plant grows first, the root or the shoot? Let us go to our image. When we plant a seed, which part of this plant grows first? The part of a plant that grows first is the root. This part of a plant is what grows first. It grows first. It is the root that grows first. So let's go to the second question. The question says, suggest a reason why the root grows downwards. The root goes downwards to get water. Remember, water goes down. Then why does a seed need food store to germinate? So number four, a seed is planted in a warm, dark, and wet place. Will it germinate? Yes. Do you know why a seed will germinate in a dark place, meaning there's no light? Because seed does not need light. It is a plant that need light. A seed will grow in a warm, dark, and wet place without any problem. But plants need light. So our answer here is yes. Why? They're asking you why. Because seeds, let me write this well, do not need light. Seeds does not need light. So this is a recap of what we have learned so far. Seeds are found in fruits and they contain an embryo and a food store. The seeds above absorbs water to start germinating. Seed needs water, warmth, and air, while plants need light, energy, water, air, warmth, and also soil. And also soil. The question says, do plants need soil for growth? Yes, plant needs soil for growth.